What's the meaning of copycat? Copycat. Copycat.
Copycat. Copycat. Copycat refers to a person who imitates or copies the actions, behavior, or style of another person. It is often used in a negative connotation to describe someone who lacks originality or creativity and simply replicates the actions of others without adding their own unique perspective or ideas. Copycats can be found in various fields, such as art, music, literature, and business, where imitation may be seen as a shortcut to success but ultimately leads to a lack of innovation and growth.